This is the Phoenix, the first home-use medical device that men can use to maintain and improve their sex lives. The Phoenix uses patented sound wave technology, exactly like that of the high-priced units used in men's sexual health clinics. With just a couple short treatments each week, the Phoenix will ensure you're always able to perform at your very best, so you can focus on the intimacy and not doctor's appointments, pills, or awkward rings.
I'm Dr. Paul Thompson. I've been practicing urology, specializing in men's sexual health and performance for over 30 years.
Now you don't need to call for an appointment. Each treatment takes less than 20 minutes to complete on your schedule from the comfort and privacy of home. No prescription necessary. Once plugged in and powered on, the smart guidance system will indicate each phase of treatment. The smooth treatment tip is kept in constant motion as it travels back and forth along each of the 5 lines of treatment.
This is not a new methodology. America's wealthiest men have been receiving exactly these treatments in private clinics at a cost of $500 or more per session. Thanks to the disruptive technology of the Phoenix, now millions of men have access to the same incredibly effective treatments for a fraction of the price. Phoenix users report remarkable results: better sex, more sex, and greater intimacy. Men in their 40s and older are turning back the clock and experiencing sex like they had in their 20s. This life-changing treatment is convenient, affordable, and available today, but it's not for everybody. So take the quiz and find out if you're a candidate.